Tell us about your story.
So what got me into Invisalign is my kids. I have a couple of teenage kids who have been going through the orthodontist process. And so when I was in one day taking my kids in to get their braces tightened or adjusted, I asked the orthodontist there what he could do about my teeth. When I was a teenager, I had braces, and so it's been several years. And during that time, my teeth shifted and crowded. I had some really serious overlapping with some of my top front teeth. And he said, well, we could put you back in braces. It would probably be a couple-year process to have the bands put back on. And I'm in my 40s. I'm thinking I'm not going to go back into braces and go through that whole routine again. So I had the opportunity to meet Dr. Marie Stiles, and had heard a little bit about Invisalign, and I came to talk to her about it, and I was very impressed with what the process was and how they laid it out. In particular, the ClinCheck, which shows how my teeth are currently and how they'll be at the end of the process and how they move throughout the process, and that was very impressive to me. So I got started and switched the trays every 2 weeks. And after several months, I got great looking teeth again. I was very pleased with it. And I would say that throughout the process, I had one person come up to me and ask about Invisalign because they noticed I was wearing it. And it was another Invisalign wearer, so they were looking for that type of thing. But other than that, no one ever noticed. It's easy to take out when I would stop and have something to eat, and take out to brush my teeth and put them back in. It was a great process, and I'd highly recommend it to anybody who's considering that.